This luggage set was gifted to me. It comes in a 5-piece set. We have 28, 24, and 20-inch luggages. All of the luggages have 3 handles, one at the top, one on the side, and one retractable. It makes carrying it and rolling it super easy. The luggages are super easy to store. The whole set fits inside one luggage. We also have a matching bag, and the bag is very nicely thought out. It has total of 7 pockets. We have 2 at the front, 1 on the back. We have pockets inside, and my favorite pocket is this one right here. It is a shoe compartment. It's lined with this very nice thick lining plastic that keeps the shoes away from everything else. It is made out of this very nice waterproof material. And one more very convenient feature of this bag is that we have this little pocket that we can put over our handle and keep it like this. Also, it comes with a matching beauty bag. It is made out of waterproof material as well, so if your makeup spills inside, everything will stay contained in it. The luggages, they have this very nice waterproof lining, so everything is nice and protected. And we have a mesh pocket right here, as well as one more pocket on the side right here too. Also, we have this zipper, and here you can add even more clothing. And once you close the zipper, it's gonna stay nice and in place, and it's not gonna fall out as soon as you open the luggage. We also have this adjustable straps that you can adjust easily, and it's gonna keep all of the clothing nice and organized. The luggages also come with this 360 swivel degree wheels, and one of my most favorite features is that if the wheel gets broken, you can easily replace it. Also, we have TSA-approved locks, so you can set up your passcode, and TSA agents, they can open it with a master key. And of course, one more very nice feature is this little hooks on the side, and you can use them to hang your bag or a gift bag. The luggages are hard shell, but they do have a flexibility, so when they are thrown around the airport, they're not gonna crack or break. So that's very nice. And of course, it is very pretty color. You can choose it in the color that you like. I have it in this very pretty purple color, and I absolutely love it. Overall, the quality of this set is absolutely amazing. I really like it. Totally recommend it.